Happy Thanksgiving from everyone here at cjla. We are just so thankful for each and every one of you, and we hope you have such a sweet day with friends and family, or just hanging out with whoever you're with. It's a very exciting day for us because we are launching our new product, our Capsule Box. We're launching it early to our app users and our email subscribers. So if you aren't subscribed or you have our app, you can still download it and sign up for emails in time to get early access to our new product, the Capsule Box, which launches tonight at 5 p.m. As a little fun Thanksgiving celebration. And then it will go live to everyone else on the site tomorrow for Black Friday, but you guys get it here early. And so today in Try-Ons, I'm going to be running through our Capsule Box, showing you my selections from the box. If you haven't checked out our live from Monday, definitely take a look at that because we run through all the different variations, and we even had some of the team come in and show their picks for the Capsule Box, so it's fun to see just the different combinations you can have. But we are so excited for this Capsule Box concept and idea. It's a project we've been working on and have had as an idea for quite a few years now, but we finally were able to dial it in and launch it for you guys tonight for app and email subscribers, and then tomorrow for everyone else as a fun Black Friday celebration. And what's even crazier is that not only are you going to get this bundle of curated pieces valued at $566, but you're going to get it for 40% off at its launch date. Next week, it's not going to be 40. It'll be part of our Black Friday 30% off sale, but for this weekend only, as our Capsule Box launch, you get it for 40% off. First, let's run through all 8 pieces in the Capsule Box so you can see what they are. What's really fun is you can select your own sizing, so you can choose different sizes in sweaters and tanks in your denim, and then you can choose between different color options of some of the product, so you can mix and match what fits best in your closet. So to start off, we have 2 pairs of denim that are in the box. Everyone gets these. We have the Chrissy Classic Vintage in black, our jet black wash. It's a super classic pair of denim. Our Chrissy's are some of our most loved pair, and this is the newest wash that we came out with. And so you're going to get these in your Capsule Box, pick your own sizing, super classic, can be faked as dress pants. It's just such an easy pair of denim to have. And then the second is our new Dylan jeans in medium wash. Here again, we wanted to show different contrasts in washes, so you have a medium wash, a blue denim, and then a jet black denim, and the Dylans are some of our new favorites, and so you get both of these in your Capsule Box. Next, for sweaters, you get 2 sweaters, and you get to choose your colors on these 2. First, we have the Brea, so you can choose from this brown tan color, or you can pick the black and cream, whichever one you're feeling. I chose this one to show in try-on today. I have black striped sweaters already, so this is a great option for my personal closet. It doesn't conflict with anything I already own. And then the Libby, you can grab either in this white creamy color or in the camel. Again, pick whichever one fits you best and what you want to mix and match with. So the Libby and the Brea are both part of our Capsule Box, as well as the Hunter jacket that I have on here. It comes in 2 colors in our Capsule Box, either charcoal or this vintage light wash, whichever one. I chose the vintage light wash because I already have the charcoal in my closet, and I knew it would go so well with everything else in the mix. You can layer with these sweaters. And so for your sweaters and layering, you have Hunter, Brea, and Libby cardigan. And then the last final 3 pieces, I have the rib spaghetti dress on. This doesn't get more classic than this. Everyone's gonna get this in their Capsule Box in a jet black wash. Super great for layering with Hunter denim jacket, wear by itself, dress up, dress down. It's part of our basics line made in the USA, and it is a staple must-have. We recommend it to everyone when they are starting out. And then the other 2 tops are going to be our Rachel tank and our kit tee. Again, 2 essentials that if you were starting out here at cjla, you didn't know what to grab, we would recommend these pieces, which is where the concept of Capsule Box started. So you can pick either the kit tee or the Rachel tank in black or ivory, or you can pick the kit tee. It comes in a few different stripes, camel and olive. But I grabbed the black and white for today, just super classic. I already own the Rachel, but you literally cannot have too many Rachels, so always stock up on a Rachel, and you can pick your different options for these 2 pieces as well. So that is the 8 pieces in our Capsule Box. Like I said, it launches tonight at 5 p.m. PST time, and it's 40% off for the launch. And how that's going to work is when you go to purchase the Capsule Box, The pieces will be marked down 10%, and then you'll get an additional 30% off with our Black Friday code BF30 at checkout. So in total, it's going to be 40% off the capsule box. You get all of these fun tops and sweaters, the dress I have on, the hunter jacket, and 2 pairs of denim. It is a steal, and these pieces were chosen super intentionally to mix and match with colors and styles. And when you get your capsule box, you're going to see a photo of the different combinations of how to style them. Even when you go to purchase it, you'll see that on the site. So we really want this to be a resource and a service for you guys. We have loved putting this together and have already found so much use and creativity from this, and we know you guys will as too. Like I said, I have the hunter jacket on and the rib spaghetti dress for my first outfit. Super easy to throw together. The rib spaghetti I actually personally own already, and I wear it so much. So to get a fresh one in my closet in this capsule box will be perfect. And then the hunter super vintage light. This was a limited edition color we did. It's going to be our lightest denim jacket. So if you want your favorite boyfriend roomy oversized denim jacket, the hunter is where it's at. We've cut the hunter in so many different colors, and the shape has just stood the test of time, and we continue to wear it and love it here on repeat. Love the rib spaghetti dress as a base layer. Like I said, you can dress it up, dress it down. I've worn it to very formal events with heels, slick back bun, and then I've worn it super casual around the house. There's so many ways. It comes in extended sizing, and it's part of our basics line, so it's made here in the US, but it doesn't get more classic than these 2 pieces, and really all of these 8 pieces in the capsule box is where it's at. I also want to note we were very intentional in picking pieces that are great for year-round wear and outfits. So this rib spaghetti, it's a tank style, so you can wear it in the summer when it's warmer, layer in the fall, winter when it's cooler. We also picked pieces like the Rachel tank and kit tee that you can wear by itself with your denim, with your favorite pair of denim shorts in the summer as well. So this isn't just a winter capsule box. We added sweaters and layers in the mix to where you can wear it year round, and then as it gets warmer, of course, we have the tank options. So it really has been thought through, so you can take the guessing work out of getting ready. All you have to do is pick your sizes, pick your favorite color, and you have your next season of outfits ready to go. Switched out the denim jacket for the Libby cardigan. Libby is a great one because you can wear it open or closed, just depending on the look you're going for. But I threw it on with our rib spaghetti dress, left it open. Such an easy layer to throw on. I love the knit of this piece, and this is obviously in the white creamy color, but you can also grab the camel, just depending on which one you'd prefer instead. But love this chunky knit on it. Functional buttons, so you can keep it closed or, you know, open, close a few like that, but such a great layer with our rib spaghetti dress. I also want to note it has pockets in the dress, which is just so easy and comfy to wear, and it's a nice long maxi length. It also has a ribbed texture to it. I don't know if you can see that in the fabric detail, but super comfy, adjustable straps, and the Libby is just the perfect layer with it. Here is the Libby cardigan and the Rachel tank with our new Dylan jeans in medium wash. I love this denim that we chose for the capsule box. We were super intentional in picking 2 styles that could work for everyone in any style, but that are different enough to really need both of them. So we chose the Dylan in the medium wash for your blue pair of denim. I have a size 11 on in these. They're our newest wash of the Dylans, and we love them. They are so good. A nice wider leg, kind of a mix between a Holland and a Hendrix is what we've been comparing it to. And then with the Libby and the Rachel tank makes for a great layering piece. Of course, you can wear the Rachel tank by itself in the summer for a warmer outfit, and then if you want to cozy up in the winter with the Libby, this is the perfect combination. You could even do a little denim on denim look with the hunter jacket and the Dylan jeans. Of course, if you grab the charcoal hunter, that would go super well with this outfit as well, but could be a fun little look for a denim on denim look. Rachel tank, I'm wearing a size large. It's the perfect layering fitted tank. Like I said, you can't own too many Rachel tanks. It just tucks in so well to your favorite pair of denim, and the new Dylans are the perfect combo with it. So Hunter super vintage wash in a size large. It's a relaxed, roomy fit. I think I own a size medium and a size large of the Hunter, just 2 different sizes for 2 different options of how I want to style it and how it looks, but Doesn't get any better than this. Also, if you are traveling for the holidays, I can guarantee you these are the pieces you're going to want to travel with, because it's what we pack already in our suitcases. Rachel Hunter denim. These are our go-to essential pieces. And for the final outfit combination I'll be showing you today, we have the Brea sweater with the Chrissy jeans. Such an easy combination, literally 2 pieces to make an entire outfit. You could even throw the Hunter on over this if you need an extra layer, but just love the texture and the squishiness of this Brea. It's super stretchy as well. All these pieces are meant to be easy, relaxed, comfy fitting pieces. We didn't put anything in here, and we don't make anything that's uncomfy or not fun to get dressed in. These are easy to get dressed in and fun pieces to wear for any season and any occasion, and the Brea and Chrissy are no exception to that. You can choose the black Brea with black stripes or this brown tanny one. Both go so well with both pairs of our denim, and just mix and match, and like I said, you can throw over the Hunter for an additional layer. Next, we have our kit tee. This is, again, a tried and true loved piece here at cjla. We introduced it in a long sleeve and a tee version this year. And so the tee is in our capsule box. This is the black and white stripe. Think of it like our Rachel tank, our fitted, easy pieces, our easy basics that are super stretchy and comfy, just in a ribbed fabric and in this really fun stripe. It comes in a few different colors, so you can choose for your personal capsule box, but it fits so well with the Dylan jeans in medium wash. It tucks really well. It's meant to be that layered tucked style, kind of a bodysuit look. It's not meant to be an oversized, fit like the Brea or some of our sweaters are. So just keep that in mind. This is a size XL. We actually didn't have a large sample here, but I do like the fit of the XL. It's super comfy and just a nice, easy fit to it, but I wouldn't recommend sizing up. I would just recommend sticking with your... Okay, let's layer with the kit tee. Let's throw the Libby on here. This is going to be such an easy way to style here. So Libby, kit tee, Dylan jeans, such an easy outfit to throw on and go. Great travel outfit, especially if you are traveling and you need to go somewhere, once you arrive at your destination. You can feel so put together, but also super comfy. This fabric on the kit tee is super stretchy and it's ribbed, so it has a good texture to it. Love the stretch of it. And has easy collar line, wear with a regular bra, it's not see-through, and the Libby just creates that additional layering look on it, adds some texture to it with the knit on it, and then we cannot get over these new Dylan jeans. This medium wash is so good. It's going to be your new favorite pair of denim. And for our last pair of denim in the capsule box that everyone gets, you get the Dylan medium wash and then the Chrissy Classic Vintage in black, our newest wash of the Chrissy's, super classic and timeless. You can fake these also as a dress pant because they are a finished hem, no distressing, in this jet black color. So I started out with the kit tee tucked in just for a simple, easy outfit. Let's throw on the Hunter in the super vintage. Again, you can pick between super vintage and the charcoal wash for your capsule box. So you might be getting this one or the charcoal one, but look how easy it is just to throw this on for a layer with this outfit. Super easy. I have an 11s on in the Chrissy's just for a nice easy fit. They are really stretchy, so I went same sizing in the Dylans and Chrissy's. If you have never bought cjla denim before, or you're new and you don't know what your sizing is, please message us. We would love to help you with sizing so that you get the perfect fit for these capsule pieces. All right, next let's throw on the Libby cardigan. Last way we'll style the Libby today is with the kit tee, Chrissy jeans. Such an easy outfit combo. Like I said, if you're traveling this holiday season, capsule box is a great time to get pieces and take the thinking out of getting ready. You're literally going to get photos of different outfit combinations, so just go through the photos and wear those on repeat, and you won't have to pack as much in your suitcase. Chrissy jeans, Libby cardigan, kit tee. You can pick different colors of the kits in Libby, so these could be interchangeable with different colors, but so easy to throw this outfit on, dress it up, dress it down. You could wear this for a Thanksgiving meal if you already have these pieces today, or you can grab them for some fun new outfits in the next few weeks.